let's get ready for the gym. I'm literally sat down in my pajamas right now. This video is gonna be a little bit all over the place because I am starting off sat down in front of the camera with you guys because I wanna show you and unbox some activewear that I recently purchased. I don't think I've bought activewear since the last time I did a YouTube video, so it's been a while. And I actually want to take you along with me today to the gym. It's leg day and it's glutes and hamstring focused, so I thought I'd show you what I do. Bear in mind, I do train glutes twice a week and they are slightly varied. So what I do in this video can vary to what I do on another day. So apologize if I look like a ghost, if I look a little bit crazy, but I'm not going to put makeup on to shoot a YouTube video and then have to go take it off before I go to the gym. I do not have time for that. If you do enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe and give me a little thumbs up. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. This is a very big bag for a very small purchase. So I bought two things from Oner Active. One is a new colorway of their Effortless leggings. Now I have a few of their Effortless leggings because I just really love how they fit my body. I bought this new jade green pair of leggings. They are stunning. I don't think I have a pair of leggings that are this color. And of course they always have the little scrunch bum here, but it's not like those Shein super extreme scrunch bum. I also picked up a lightweight cropped t-shirt. I'm a cropped t-shirt gal. I'm not really a sports bra training girly. I just don't always feel super comfortable, but I love me a cropped t-shirt. I always ruin white, so I always find myself having to buy more white because look, even if I ruin it, I love wearing white t-shirts. I think this is from their weightlifters collection that they put out. It has Oner Active at the front, and then it says created by lifters for lifters at the back. I got this in a size medium because even though it's an oversized fit, as you can see, like it's super baggy this way, these are super cropped. And for your big chested girls, even if it fits you lengthways and it's super big, it also has to fit you widthways. I bought a medium in both, and for the leggings, I bought them in the longer length because I am 5'7". I have very long legs compared to my torso, so we need the extra length. I'm gonna go put on my outfit, show you what I'm wearing, and then I'm gonna take you to the gym with me. So let's go. Also, I'm not one of the really cool vloggers who have a small vlogging camera, so I'm filming on a big camera right now, and then when we go to the gym, it'll be on my iPhone. So if you see a little bit of difference in the style of video, that is why. The glow up is happening. We are just taking baby steps towards the glow up. Okay, so one thing I realized about filming horizontally is that it's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram where you can make reels and you can see the whole body in one shot. So we're gonna go down the gym fit. We'll start at the top. So this is the t-shirt. It is quite thin, and for someone who loves white t-shirts, she doesn't have a lot of white sports bras. We've actually got a bright green Gymshark sports bra underneath. But it's okay because the leggings are green, so we're going for like a tonal moment, so it looks fine. And then the back is like this. To be fair, you can sort of still see my face in this, but it's a better fit of the leggings. You don't have to do the little fold. They have made them now so they're not as long on the top. I just have an extremely short torso, so I just prefer that little centimetre. I'm looking to the side because that's where the screen is. But yeah, this is the fit. You see it's got the scrunch bump, but it's not like crazy scrunch like the Shein leggings. But I think it looks really nice and it's really flattering. That's the gym fit. I'll show you the trainers because the trainers make the whole thing, okay? This is as low as I could get the camera on the tripod, okay? So we're just gonna have to go with it. So, you can see a little bit of the Oner Active branding here. And then I've got these Jordan 1s. Can you see the green that's here? It's like a suede green, it's a little bit dirty there, sorry. I think they look really nice. And I've got the Evolve You socks on. So it looks cute, huh? So that is the full gym fit. I'm now gonna take you guys to the gym with me for an intense leg day. Let's go to the gym.
So I start off my leg day doing some belted squats. I like to get quite deep depth with these ones, so I actually elevate my feet. Because if I don't have those extra boxes there, the machine actually stops way too early for me. Then we move on to my good mornings that I do on the V squat machine. It's a very similar movement to a Romanian deadlift, which I do on my other leg days. This removes having to stabilize yourself too much, so you can lift quite heavy. This was my warm-up set. This is an amazing workout, especially for your hamstrings. This is one of my favorite exercises to do, actually. Then we have the one and only Bulgarian split squats. Every single leg day, I always do a single leg exercise. It's just really good for targeting imbalances and just general strength. I know it's a really nasty exercise, but they work wonders. They're all you need. Then for the accessory movements at the end, they're more isolation, less compound style. We have step ups. I love doing it on the cable machine. You have tension when you're stepping up and stepping down, focusing on the mind to muscle connection. And then we finish off with some abductions. Don't lean forward. I find that personally, I like to sit back in the chair